At Interplay Learning, we're revolutionizing how training works with our virtual learning simulation training. Our training attracts the new generation of technicians, compresses time from novice to experienced, and efficiently trains your entire company's maintenance teams to be job-ready in less time. Interplay's online, on-demand catalog features 200+ hours of HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and appliance repair training in interactive VR and 3D simulations. Acting like an on-demand apprenticeship, our content enables hands-on learning to acquire skills in a safer, more engaging environment and provides a deeper level of instruction. With Interplay's virtual training, you can create better maintenance teams and more confident, highly skilled, and job-ready technicians in weeks, not years. Our training integrates into your current LMS or acts as a standalone platform that we call Skill Mill and is available on desktop, laptop, tablet, or VR. Contact us today to schedule a demo.